Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a solutions for those with the stroke affected arm. Most of the stroke arms are swollen and have a significant edema in the hands. The best compression garment is a Gauntlet. If you have a severe contractures in the fingers, then the sleeve can be an option. Now, how do we put on the Gauntlet with the ease? Let's find out with this video.
Hi, I am Dipti Patel, physical therapist with 20 plus years of experience, therapeutic pain specialist and a yoga teacher. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when my new video is released. I have so much information that I can't wait to share with you so you embark on your pain-free journey and live fearless, active life.
Post-stroke arm limitations can make seemingly simple tasks quite challenging, right? That's why I want to show you this Medi Arm Butler that comes with, it's really a great tool which is specially designed with those who have a limited arm mobility. So not only a stroke arm, but if you have a fractured humerus and you're not able to use your arms and your entire arm is swelling up, this is what exactly you want to do. Let's walk through this process together step by step.
All right, so this is if you have a stroke and your one arm is swollen and the palm is swollen, the fingers are swollen, the best solutions to help to reduce the swelling is either use a sleeve, the arm sleeve compression, or use the Gauntlet. Now, because the skin is so tender and you have not much mobility in there, I recommend 15 to 20 mercury of pressure compression. So class 1, don't go too high in the beginning, like 20 to 30 or 30 to 40 mercury of pressure. Just start slow. So your first compression socks or the sleeve or the Gauntlet will be only lower class, the 15 to 20, and then if it works for you, when you buy the next sets in 6 months down the road, then you can invest into the higher compressions. So keep that in mind, okay? What are you going to do? I do recommend if you have a stroke, then I recommend the Arm Butler. These butlers are not that expensive and it's going to last you forever. They're pretty good and heavy duty one. So I will put the link in the description below. One more thing, you have to have another person helping you if you're using the Arm Butler to put this on. So if you leave it by yourself, this may not be the option for you to put this on. But if you have a nurse aide or a family member living with you and they can help you to put this on, this is worth the investment, okay? So what are you going to do? You find a sleeve, get the sleeve and find the elbow where the elbow is. I like the elbow at the back of the smiley face right here. So put this on straight way up and you're going to thread it over upside down right in here. Now make sure you leave a little bit of a fabric on the bottom here. So don't just turn it upside down all the way. So I have right now is this much fabric left on the top right here. So you're going to put that down. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put this on the lap. I want you to use this hand, Pankaj, and hold it down. Now you're going to use this and the family member is going to push this hand hard as far as you can. Now that's it. Now let's say they don't have a mobility. So you use this part and you just want to pull it up. So if they're not helping you, you can use the rest of the part up there. Now, one more thing, if you have a garden gloves, I highly recommend to put them on and you're just going to pull up this fabric. That way you're not going to put a hole on there. I don't have garden gloves with me right now. So you just want to pull this part up here. I don't like any wrinkles. Whenever you put any compression socks on, no wrinkles. So do your best to get rid of all the wrinkles because this compression garments are usually made with a bunch of rubber bands sewn together. So if you have wrinkles, that's tourniqueting the area of the skin and that's not healthy for you. So that's how you put this on. Now, if you have a Gauntlet's gonna end right here at the knuckles, right? So what do you want to do when that extra fabric came in? You want to take that Gauntlet sleeve on the top under the finger and you want to hook it under here. So that Gauntlet part going to hook right under the thumb here and it's going to give a coverage on the top of the palm. Many times when a person has a stroke and that builds up the fluid right on the palm right here, and that's where the most of the coverage needed. There are gloves out there that gives a coverage to the fingers, but they're very hard to put it on in somebody with the stroke. But there are gloves out there that doesn't have a first knuckle, so you can use your fingertip, the tip of the fingers, but you can get the coverage with the gloves. So that's for the people who don't have a stroke and who don't have a contractures. You can look into that. But for the stroke people, I highly recommend a Gauntlet. And you have severe contractures and you're not opening at all, the sleeve is another option. Okay? So those are the things you want to keep in mind.
Now, no more struggles, no more frustrations, right? The MediArm Butler is designed to give you back this ease and a little bit of independence. Are you ready to make your daily routine smoother? Now check out the link below for the link for the Butler, for the MediArm Butler.